The news, if confirmed, would be devastating for my community. I've been speaking to Honda today to find out more information. They will be making a full statement. It's clear to me that the decision will have a long-term effect on Swindon, even though it won't take full effect for several years, which is why I've already spoken to the Prime Minister and the Business Secretary to start working out a strategy to help support the workforce in the years ahead. My understanding is that it relates to the decision in Japan to bring back as much production as possible to Japan as they further develop electrification. So a move away from the internal combustion engine to electric cars in a nutshell. That's a global decision. It doesn't just affect Swindon. The Turkey plant, I understand, is also earmarked for closure. So it seems that this surprising and shocking news is related to global trends as opposed to regional ones. I would love them to do more in the UK. They were working on the hydrogen car in Honda and developing hydrogen technology, and there's been excellent research and development in the UK. I still think we are an attractive place to come. Honda was increasingly exporting its cars to the US and other parts of the world from Swindon. Obviously we need to look carefully at the decision that has been made and understand the reasons why. Honda hasn't yet made its public announcement. I've already said that I think they should think again, and I certainly will be ready to talk to them and anybody who cares to listen to make the case for Swindon as a strong centre of manufacturing. That's been part of our huge success, and I don't give up the fight easily.